First, think about what you want to achieve. Are you looking for answers to specific questions, brainstorming ideas, or maybe even writing a story? The clearer you are about your goal, the better the responses you'll get. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," try something more specific like, "What were the causes of the American Civil War?" This helps ChatGPT focus on what you really want to know. Next, don't hesitate to experiment with your prompts. If you're not getting the response you hoped for, rephrase your question. You can also ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into a topic. It's a bit like having a conversation. The more you engage, the more you learn. If you ask, "What are some tips for writing a novel?" and get a list, follow up with, "Can you elaborate on character development?" This keeps the dialogue flowing and enriches your understanding. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to assist with creative projects. If you're stuck on a story, you can ask for plot ideas or character suggestions. For instance, "Give me 3 unique character ideas for a fantasy novel." You might be surprised by the creativity it generates. And if you don't like the suggestions, just ask for more or tweak them. It's all about finding what resonates with you. Let's talk about using ChatGPT for learning. If you're studying a new subject, you can ask it to explain complex concepts in simpler terms. For example, "Can you explain quantum physics to a 10-year-old?" This can make challenging topics more accessible. You can also use it to quiz yourself. Ask it to generate questions on a subject you're studying, and then test your knowledge. It's like having a study buddy available 24/7. Now, a fun aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to role-play. You can ask it to take on a character or persona. For instance, pretend you're a detective solving a mystery. This can be a fun way to engage with the AI and spark your imagination. It's a unique way to explore different scenarios and see how they unfold. Lastly, remember that while ChatGPT is powerful, it's not infallible. Always double-check important information, especially if you're using it for research or decision-making. It's a tool to enhance your creativity and knowledge, but it's essential to apply your own judgment. So, whether you're looking to learn, create, or just have a bit of fun, ChatGPT is here to help. Embrace the process, keep experimenting, and enjoy the journey of discovery. The more you interact with it, the better you'll get at harnessing its potential. Happy chatting!